Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Rogaine subscription. If you have taken any subscription related to your hair treatment and all, then how you can cancel your subscription. So basically there is only one way to cancel your subscription. Like two ways we can say. Like the first way is a little bit hard, or you can say like you have to make some efforts, and the second method is like very easy. You just need to simply contact with their customer support team by using their phone number. So how you can get their phone number, I will provide you link in our video description box. You can visit on their page, and on the page you will see like contact us by email, contact us by phone number. Okay, you can choose their phone numbers and you can dial their phone number, and once you get connected you need to tell them simply like you wish to cancel your subscription on Rogaine. Then they will cancel your subscription, and this is the best and the easy way to cancel your subscription on Rogaine. Okay, now let's talk about the second method. The second method, you just need to simply log in into your account, and once you logged into your account, you need to click on your profile icon, and once you click on your profile icon, you just need to simply visit on your order section, and you can manage your subscription on order section. Okay, if you don't find any option related to subscription, related to cancellation of subscription, you can directly call their customer support team and they will cancel your subscription after verification of your identity. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.